Hey guys, Chris across Jeep again, Louisville, Kentucky. Quick start video on the 03 TJ Brute. Starts right up every time. Currently rocking 30,096 miles on the odometer. I'm gonna try to drive the best I can with one hand. Over here getting a video near our off-road test track. But guys, this thing is so fun to drive. I mean, there's nothing else like it on the road. Incredible. Incredible. It's so fun. I'm gonna run through some gears, one-handed. I mean, there's second, there's third, no issues at all. This thing's awesome, y'all. You want some more info on it, come check us out. Give me a call. My cell phone's 502-294-4813, or just come see your Jeep experts, Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. We're at 1501 Gardner Lane. Y'all have a great day.